What's up, guys? This is Pastor Kana again. We're coming up with another video today. We're going to be doing a background animation and also a button animation at the same time with HTML and CSS. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're growing it slowly but steady. Yeah. All right. So we're ready to go. All right. I got my HTML ready. So all right. So let's do a header element right here. Header. Okay, right here. And then which is going to be the parent. We're going to give a class name. A class name of this parent is going to be header. And then we're going to have a kid, a child, a div, and also we're going to give her a name, and the name is going to be banner container. So inside this div we're going to have a tag, which is going to be our button. So come on, dude, come on, href. So right here we're going to have nothing, just a number sign, and then we're going to have a class name right here. For this button we're going to be btn, and then right here we're going to say get started. Get started. All right, so we're good to go. So we don't need that much. We're ready. We're done with our HTML body right here. Now we have to go and style it. Right here we're going to have our universal style right here. So it's going to be the asterisk, and we're going to do a padding, which is going to be 0, and then we're going to be a margin, going to be 0 right here, and then we're going to have our box sizing, which is going to be border box, and right here also we are going to have, let's just start our a tag right here. We're going to say text decoration, text decoration, which is going to be none. If we just go back really quick and check and see what we have, get this started. Yeah, cool, that's what we have. All right, so now where's the next step? So let's target our banner class, and right here we're going to have padding. Do we need padding on this one? I don't think we need padding, so let's just do a background. So right here we're going to do a linear gradient. How do you say that? How do you pronounce it? Linear gradient. So we're going to have 45 degrees right here. Then we have a number sign. We're going to do 00 E F A 6 comma, and then we're going to have same 3D. I got, I'm just typing this. I already have this bodies right here. Let me just copy and paste so we can go back in our business a lot faster. Okay, we have that, and then we need the background size right here. So we're going to have, for the width and the height, is going to be 400%. Okay, and then we'll have some animation. So we're going to call a color. We're going to have 5 seconds, and then we're going to have a linear. It's going to be infinite, and then we're going to have transition 0.5 seconds. Okay, Now, what we need, okay, we got a banner. So now we need to let's just, yeah, we have that. Now let's just do our keyframe. uh, Keyframe, let's get rid of that. We're going to have color right here. We're going to start at 0%, and then we're going to do background position. So we're going to do about 0% and also 50% right here. Let's copy this block of code. Let's just paste it twice, because we're going to have, it's going to start at 0%, it's going to go to 50%, and it's going to go to 100%. And right here we're going to be changing some values. This one is going to be 100%, and then 50, and then 0 and 50%. So let's save that and see what we have. Oh, there's nothing. Let's see what's going on. So we get a background. So there is a typo, I'm sure, somewhere else, like I always do. So let's see. Um, okay, it looks like, did we save it? Let's see. Maybe I didn't save it. Header, banner, container. Oh, so the name, see, it's header. What did I put banner? Header. It's a header. That's why it's not doing it. So let's save it. Um, oh yeah, look, it's doing it. Nice. Just a little line. Okay. So right here we're going to add um so on the button, so we're going to do the following. Okay, let me see, there is something. Okay, and the banner container, which is the right here, let's just target that. We'll just do it right here. Banner container. So right here we're going to have a height of 50 view height. Now we're going to have a display, flex, justify content, we'll do a center, and then we'll have align items, also going to be center. Let's see if this is going to give us a little bit more room on there. Okay, cool. And also we have our button right there. So as you can tell, our background is going boom boom boom, which is nice. Now let's target our button. All right, let's do that. btn, let's keep doing it right here. btn. So right here we're going to have a font size for the button, which is going to be 15 pixels, and then we're going to have border radius, so we're going to do 100 pixels. We need some letter spacing. We're going to do 1 pixel. Then we're going to do a background. The background is going to be almost similar to what we have. So let's copy for our background. Let's copy that, paste it right here, and then that's good to go. And then we're going to text transform, which is way over here. And then we're going to do uppercase. We want that to be uppercase. Then we need padding inside the button. We're going to do 13 pixels, and then we're going to do 30 pixels. Then we have margin. Do we need margin? Let's see, 30 pixels. Actually we don't need margin. Let's just forget about margin. So let's just do color. We'll do white for the text. And then we have font weight. Yeah, we'll need the font weight. We're going to do 900. And then we have animations, so which is going to be the same what we have right here. What we did in here, let's just do the same thing for our animation for our buttons, because we're not changing anything. Cool beans. So we have our we need to do some hover to our button. btn column hover, and then right here we're going to have color. So color is going to be, we're going to do black color, and then we're going to do the background. We're going to do, yeah, we're going to do this part right here. Actually, somehow let's just do the whole thing. No, actually, let's just do this part. Copy, paste, let's close it. Okay, let's save that and see what we have. Nice, look at it. If you do a hover, like the button and the background, they have the same background animation, so they're going at the same time, same seconds. If I hover on my button, it changes color. We did it, the text is going to be black, which we have it, and then part of that, the text change, the background change, right? Cool. That's it for the video. Hopefully this video helped you out, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.